Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois. Until midnight at 11:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Newark to near Little Rock, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Little Rock, Plano, Sandwich, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Newark, and Boulder Hill. Including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 108 and 120. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no